Theophilus Anani, so open the best media school in Ghana there, and a too much multimedia college. We say a ban equipment apapa. A church for a quadruple ewadisium. Any air conditioned room there. A ban media law, advertising, camera handling, and a marketing there. And then a location at the Coffee Pipe Junction. For number ne was you, no one casa free. No more beyond that one, no more being casa me from one casa free. About to do.
For me, Mamunia, Aqua Bastion, go Ediba, Afrique Media, so Edubra, Ababomu, and Sem, Yediba, some more ever every day. So, Madame Sanamecano, Ababomu, Sem, the Chaffa Bipia, Sebusian, Sem, Abatetia, Adofomun, Sem, just say, Ababomu, Sem, dear, some crampono, a Cabrabomu, today, you won't echo more, you may day as in a nay, Yeba share, Ebusia, and Semu. Story be Abatoya Punoso, na story no as fab. Eja wone ma enere enete and it would or clear almost will could maba for 32 years one sign chi am mefie na te se ne ba ana sabre no 25 years wo ja ne wo chi na me na dom ma ne ma me ma me pa etiti wono ade ma nkola na timi nya ma te wono de peni no wetimi abe doctor ni na te ne papa wo ja wo mo 32 years ago wetimi assign ne chi aba. This time around, so a year in and say, I come back and say, well, no, you're doctor, and I say, one shall know. Then to say, I will have before we are dear pa and go away. Now, and some maybe more at your home and more and some year. My entire home brasses here. I send me Twitter user, Opay me, Babalola. And what they to Jana say, and what they buy or say. A man went to work 32 years ago and never came back. He left his wife and 2 boys, 5 and 3 years old. The man that went to work in Lagos 32 years ago was rushed to a hospital in Saudi Arabia, and the medical doctor that attended to him happened to be the 5-year-old boy he left in Nigeria. Baba actually left Nigeria with an older woman back then and relocated to Saudi Arabia. He had 3 children with a new wife. He had a stroke and was rushed to the hospital where the 5-year-old boy he left in Nigeria is now a medical doctor. The whole family actually spent a lot searching for this man. The first wife spent a lot searching for him, and she insisted she won't marry again because she believed her husband is still alive somehow. If this is not wickedness, I don't know what else it is. If therefore, let's say a seminal to Fabonia and the Macanca at your mom. Now, Sena is he fatting into my tonka at the affair near my boss, our was baby, every day and come out at the affair and some nunty for any day chair. More about we be able.
I don't know what my boy pro.
It's what I say. And send me say a tight to say, Memma won't move, Memma won't more thing, and Memma. Won't me a power woman say John Bush any mouth from a bob brother say Omobush for crab and woman, but wait and a different crap. Where they asked there, who could not tell so could you like if you are perfect, I will feel there's no sign to be up upon a moon coat of fire. Who say oh cheat or swear, but a crowd so could mother. Now all of a sudden, one Beffy for 32 years. Imagine the tumor, the torture. So maybe either say you're kidnapping and I say who and then be born to marshalichi, say or you about for share another country. No, now boy, we send on so now woman at so I tell Moa and at Yare upon it. Such a case, Moon is saying.
The surety for African media. A friend is saying, in the first place, no, I am a person I can't much money. You must be too more dang. What's the I will can now can dang. Oh, cow stress on it, no be able to be much money. Will me about me?
About me,
but an individual basis. That's how I say it. And I did be a 18-year boyfriend, no, make her cry previous night and no one in the more thing. A man on your more thing to none of the credit. Oh, come on, sweetheart. I'll meet you in the evening. Another match with Kakram or I'll drink crazy. No, I'm not near the dead. I said, my desk must name. But on him, ewiase yenye bone wo se oye bone ekokokokokokoko no asamba bewie ono a daboboa oba na wanhwe no ono na sisei woda na nim yo wo ye at his mercy to do whatever ope to you
so be punish you na so have mercy with you
but they be an make us say ye nyina sabe impana twe de me kase ba ma bi atwe bi but then they be an make us say entwe impana na neglect your family wow intimate impana no me share na ye betwe a ese me kira wo se me maware me se me ka me bi a kira wo
man ya aware
we are aware of
the
terms of your bosses and frame oh I say me bi mu kira wo now who say ni because near tell say one of plan I'm not train our ready na to be ma mesema me ma mesema family but a member ni bi wo asabe adwene mu ye ha maami a odene moja mo no house me ko pe moja dada maami abroad dey say moja nyina agere
eti wo dey na betimi a influence sa we run away here or here because wo yire wo ho one no wo ma like say one penny I think I want to cry in the first place and say na embo bisia eti dey na a trigger be say at say wo dey work akotwem na fine but let's say we jaw family ho any another woman esika
wo say ewiase say na ewiase na kodo no money bi o because of education and I begin to omo warrant it do some pempen so na ono no wa pesika gu ho enti wo kunu bi a mo bobra e bia niam ko se ne e ko no ono timi de ba bom say e mema so de ye chinisika oba o sika ayesa na ne kakara ye ba ho akọ but to go to extreme seminary ba ko de me na ka medis can be wa but me ne nko se me ne eko eno ne mistake no ye so I can say because what for 32 years serious
one sending message down
no
so they me say but we being
me ma de me ma ya makoma me ma o say me ma the extension of me what I say I am sperm and I dey me ma by say me ma ya extension of me wow into then say oban kwa na me pewa me ma de me to me neglected them for 32 years
it's why a wicked father
oh I don't use the word
it means more extreme than wicked
he's very stupid
stupid they say and classify wicked
there be say who said when you wickedness when you one year yes or he got you know carried away by what he was seeing the wealth and the cars and all that
selfishness
yes but you see answer now baby been because you always have to be responsible for your action what mean you be me aware that me chin say but some them me but some no dry we are responsible for our actions tell them who you be no who say or china no obi be samia can I stand or can I justify it what do you mean justify it there don't do it
yes what wasting the former wife my life 32 years of my life go bet marry marry ka onya say at least me kuno chiti wo me so no dey to go bet marry and the man no so I'm sure said they were raised knowing that father is somewhere father may be in trouble something is wrong with my father thinking say omukampo ya afford me feel sorry for themselves so maybe being tin on papa you but all this why their father intentionally rejected them and if as the one of the sons and as they say me ba o doctor ni and me papa me da ne hospital nka wo and our son was that situation ka how would you have treated this man
so me dia me kan cho say me hwo na me nura ma wo and then
won kan che say won hwe
da bi
won muna wani mun
me muna my sister scratch me dey wo nyina na me sere
what and do be na the one so why you
stroke no Mama, deep stroke.
When me stroke,
me the acid. Ebe wow. Na uno peno. And me in Africa.
What's it? Situations like this, no, bringing out emotions. Say, oh papa, now who expectations? Say one day, people who know. No be some reasons until to me, ja, one who was that state, you know. Some way somehow, or papa, blood is thicker than water and tea. That first sighting of papa and still about tears story no creme no nka wan ka be say
me
Thank you.
Say my catch up.
But what you are
Me that come say na me wo. Because
over say who name the entail before the story. Me can say before the story.
Okay. But me who wo hono. The beba me chima say you are wicked. Oh, not know you are alive. That was what to me explanation. Say you can have for 32 years. And I said
maybe you do now Nyamisha.
Oh how?
One country
for 32 years. What are you talking about? Mommy, when you say I said be oha. Uhua to probi any ho. Ya casted the time. Bibi no about you. Just so make us say papa. You are what I mean, but only the seriousness of it. Only the seriousness of it.
Me too.
Say otimi ye bold. Any obafofo. A call foreign land. A journey ma. Without even thinking about how they will survive. Not thinking about their future. Now by now come my arm robbers. How what will you say? Emma, because I did the whole year. You will be beer. Oh, so 1 week, 2 weeks mean I will go away. 32 years. Are you mad? Now what bad? And then I don't miss him double stroke, Yarabi or Panabi, a double stroke. And no, sorry.
It usually say the punishment for mistake away, and I'm sorry, I'm an Irish. To say, what better the mercy of the bar now say it happens.
Massa, you'll be a friend karma. Whatever you sow, you will reap. And this is what he's reaping. Because to me, obi sa na nyame nhyirawo. What I say, me mama to me afu to me. What I say, mama to nkofofo.
Okay.
I say one, umpa oba efa ne ho nka no. Efa ho nka no. And na two, ema oba ni suo so fam because of hwe oba ni suo e so fam because of what? So for be to be more pai.
It's a
wa bra see. Enti nia oma lady ni come for 32 years no. Eno ho asotwe e na onya.
And I come my out I check come be on brand tell me for say 32 years pa what me ja wo bushia for wo ma 5 years 3 years wo yire wo ho say wo kweduma ba na say ni nia mu no omo ji se ya kidnap wo wu na say bia to no say wo no oba foforo tukwa akọ country foforo ma sa akọ bo brabo foforo ni oba foforo wo maybe so because say mema timo de most want to say e was for say na ensem no esifate no wa che na dwen me de kakra ka won so de a wo dwen efa ensem no ho etesen bomodi a fatu your comment section ho na ebiem so why say wie no bomodi a subscribe to our fake media de bia de ka cho se be deliver ye ba ye fa mama na ye de mama ntimo bomodi na mo subscribe na into ye be meet biem no me din adena na ama obusu a makra mu nya bye bye.